Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and with the rise of smart home products, one of the best things in the industry is when you get one product that works well with a product made by another company. Using common services like Apple HomeKit as a sort of go-between between one service and another, you can create automations and triggers to make them work nicely together. One of the best products for this is the Eve Motion sensor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up and to use it to trigger your light. Now, if you've ever stumbled to the bathroom in the night, or you have children who stumble to the bathroom in the night, you won't need convincing why this is a good idea. Now, the Eve Motion sensor comes in a fairly standard looking box and has just the things you need included. You get the sensor itself, as well as the two AA batteries and the setup guide. Now, once you've put in the batteries and closed the battery door, you start the setup process. And with the help of some additional smart home products, specifically these Hue bulbs, we'll be able to set up a motion activated landing light in no time. Now, the first step is downloading the Eve app from the App Store. Once launched, head to Settings and hit Add Accessory. Now it'll show you a list of nearby devices it can control. The Eve Motion sensor should show up. Select it, and now if you have an iPhone, you can use the camera to add it to your Home app, scanning the HomeKit identifier on the back. If you haven't already, you also need to set up your smart bulbs. In Philips Hue's case, that's as easy as plugging in the bridge to your router, then fixing the bulbs in place, turning them on, and using the Hue app to pair those lights to the bridge. You can also set which room they're in, so they're all grouped together and can be controlled at once. Now, once that's done, they'll show up in the Eve Motion app, and they're also HomeKit compatible, so they'll show up in the Home app as well. And that is by far the easiest way to get the motion sensor talking to the bulbs. You can, if you want to, use the Eve Motion app to set rules and triggers, but in comparison it's a little more in-depth. For this video we're going to use the Home app because it's so simple to do. Now, once the Philips Hue and Eve Motion are set up, open Home and go to the Automation tab. Now tap Create New Automation and select the Eve Motion as your trigger device, and then select Detects Motion if it hasn't been selected automatically. And now you can choose which time of day you want this rule to apply. So we found it useful to create one for nighttime and a different one for daylight hours. So once you've chosen your time frame, you go to the next screen where you can select the items that you want to control. In this case, that's the 3 landing lights. For the nighttime, we set them to come on at 20% brightness whenever the motion sensor was triggered. And we also made them a warmer white for night. Now, for the day, you'd likely want it to be brighter, and also for the light itself to be a little bit cooler, not as warm. You also need to choose how soon you want the lights to go back off again once they've been triggered. And we set that to about 3 minutes. So once you've set up those rules and automations in the HomeKit app, that's it, you're ready to go. And now every time the Eve Motion sensor is triggered, the lights should just come on, and depending on which time of day it is and how you set it up, it'll come on a different brightness and temperature. I've been Cam. I'm at Cam Bunton on Twitter. You can follow me there. Hit that thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos if you want to see more. I'll see you again soon.